up, Kennel Crew? We are live on a Friday night. We filled 3-box 2022 Mosaic 3-box mixer PYT number 15. This was a PYT break that hit the store live at BulldogSportsCards.com at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Thanks to all of you that got in early and often, grabbing your favorite squads. You know who you are. Thanks to those of you that helped fill live in the chat on Give Back Friday. Make sure you head on over to the Instagram and like the photo of the Wander from Flawless tonight for a chance to win a free box of Pro Set football cards. All you got to do is like the photo. Jordan Davis, a refractor of Wan'Dale Robinson for the Giants, and a Danny Gray. Also, every spot purchased for one of tonight's breaks does count towards the giveaway. We're giving away a Steph Curry jersey. Literally a Steph Curry autographed jersey. Beckett authenticated. Thanks for choosing Bulldog Sports Cards to rip your cards. Appreciate you. You do not need to be present to win, but if you do win and you're not present, I will random. If you get the first or second pick, I will random the available items for you. No worries. Cook, Ingram, the Rodgers pink to 50. Someone's winning the Steph jersey tonight. This I promise you. Davis Price, a Derek Carr montage, and a Harrison Smith for the Vikings. Evan Neal and a Tolbert. Tyquan Thornton for the Patriots. Tyquan Thornton, no huddle. Malik Willis. Eli Manning. Kenny Pickett, and Isaiah Spiller, Chris Carson, and a Logan Thomas. Whoa! Wow! Out of nowhere! Out of freaking nowhere! A Byard 101. Wow! There you go, Big Al. Go, Brandon. What up, Rando? Can I turn up the fry? Man, I can't make nobody happy tonight. Rando, I need you to do a couple things, Rando. You're late to the party tonight, Rando. We need you to do a couple things. There's a couple giveaways going on right now, Rando. Every spot purchased in tonight's break is for a giveaway, Rando. And that giveaway is a mini helmet or a full-size helmet autograph and a Steph Curry jersey. Someone that buys a spot in tonight's breaks is getting a Steph Curry jersey. Ebner Dotson. Every spot purchased in tonight's break or that's on the board. So your spots in the basketball break, Rando, they count, for example. Everyone with a spot on the board tonight is in for a chance at one of those 3 items. Also, Rando, we're giving away a box of Pro Set Football. Pro Set Football is going to one person who likes my Instagram photo of the Wander Franco that we just pulled tonight with some new guy mojo, Kyron Williams, and a McCreary. Cook and Ruckert and Gordon and a Gibson. Thibodeau, Malik Willis, the Quay Walkers are variation. So good for Mike here, but not our best variation. There would have been 3 other rookies he would have rather had than that one. So on his own team. So a little bit disappointing there. Yeah, we're on fire, Phil. We're on fire tonight. Willis, Booth, Cam Akers, pink. That's to 20 on the Cam Akers. Pierce, Booth, Knox, Jordan Davis, and a Favre. Brees Hall, Traylon Burks, Quay Walker, and a Kobe Dean. A blue Fournette, Jamar Chase, and a Jamar Chase silver of Swagger. Silver Swagger Chase. I don't know, you know, it's just a phase, Rando. It's just a phase. A lot of our basketball guys aren't in, I will admit. A lot of our basketball guys aren't in. Alec Pierce for the Colts. Anthony D bought the Colts across the board tonight. Thanks, Anthony D. Appreciate you, man. Kenneth Walker, Karloftis, Rodriguez, a Justin Jefferson, nice silver here of Christian Watson, the Packers, and a Herbert Men of Mastery silver. Bellinger, Hutchinson, ETN, K. Otten, and a driver. Drake London, Ojabo, White, and a Jaquan Brisker for the Bears. So a Pierce and a Brisker were that box. That's $2.99 on the Brisker. There you go, Money Mike. Hey, Haskins, T-Law. Did have a 101 in the no huddle. It's time for a big choice auto, huh? Haskins to 25 for the Titans. Nice Haskins rookie to 25. Hey, Silver Diggs. Malik Willis. And a center stage silver of Eli. Jelani Woods, a Jameson Williams, Patrick Mahomes mosaic, green or a red Tony Gonzalez, and a blue of Bledsoe. What up, Rando? What up, CBC? We do got a case draft of Flawless. We do got a case draft of Flawless Baseball. That is over the halfway point. If you want to take a shot at some Flawless Baseball, a case, a fun way to do it with a draft, pick your teams. Don't tell the wife you spent your Prius payment on the sports cards, all right? Hop in. Kenny Pickett, Sky Moore, Calvin Austin, Hunter Henry mosaic, Connor, and a Matt Corral. Everyone gets 3 teams. It's a snake draft. Ritter, Otten, a Grenard, McKinney, Doug Williams. All right, choice box. All right, Justin Jefferson, a Jalen Naylor, a Shaquille Barrett. That's a black gold. 8 of 8 for the Buccaneers. Trav is on the Buccaneers with a Shaq Barrett black gold. Jeffrey Simons. Or Simmons, I guess. That's to 88 or 80 on Simmons. A Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. That's to 80 on the Kuechly. A Dulcich, or Dulcich, however you pronounce it. And a Sauce Gardner. And a Trent McDuffie for the Chiefs. Jacob W's on the Chiefs tonight. All right, let's do a quick recap. That might have been the softest of the 3 that we've done, even with the 101. Sauce Gardner, red green, is very nice. Kuechly, Simmons, the Shaq Barrett black gold is sick. Justin Jefferson silver. Corral silver. Mahomes mosaic. The blue center stage Bledsoe. The Haskins to 25. The Brisker to 99. Silver Herbie. The silver Watson. Should have had a couple more stand cards, let's be honest. A couple nice cards in that stack there. Alec Pierce. Fournette blue. Willis. Akers no huddle. Walker variation. Ebner blue. Pickett rookie. The no huddle. Tyquan Thornton. Ritter and Aaron Rodgers purple. And the 1/1 Byard. Thanks for the fill, everybody. That was 3-box PYT number 15.